Hello, everybody. Andrea here. So you want to know how to take a really good before and after photo for whatever it could be. It could be for any type of business, but I'm just going to talk to you guys specifically about being a teeth whitening technician. You need really good before and after photos, and imagine yourself as the client. If you see a really good photo, a really good before and after photo of, hair, nails, teeth, anything, you might not have been thinking about getting your teeth whitened, but now you really want your teeth whitened. And to dig a little bit deeper, you might be saying, oh my God, that patient or that client's teeth were pretty yellow before. That's kind of like mine. And now they look amazing. Oh my goodness, I need to book an appointment with her or him right away. But you need really good before and after photo. So I talk about this in full. There's a full module inside the teeth whitening technician training course. If you want to be a teeth whitening technician, I have left the link for you guys down below. I train online how to start your own teeth whitening business. But let me give you guys kind of the basics. You need a ring light. You don't have to get the biggest ring light ever. I have a selfie ring light. That's what it's called. Look it up on Amazon, but I'm going to also leave the link for you guys down below, the exact one that I have. A selfie ring light. It just attaches to your phone, so it's very easy to take with you. I am a mobile teeth whitening technician, so I don't want to bring with me this huge, big quality ring light. I just don't want to do that. I'm okay to bring this one. It was $20 or $30 at the most. I can take it with me anywhere, and then I just have to charge it up when it needs charging by USB. Super easy. And what I love about it is there's different levels depending on your client's household. If it's too dark, too light, too many windows, not enough windows, you might want a different setting. If you're seeing patients in your own home, same thing though. It could be a cloudy day. It could be a super sunny day. Different settings are really, really good. And it's easy, a click of a button. Another thing that I talk about is you need to get the right app. I use the Collageable app. That's what it's called. You guys look it up, and I'm going to show you guys right now. This is the app that I use. This is kind of the icon. Sorry, it's kind of blurry, but you get the idea. This allows me to add the before photo on the top, the after photo on the bottom. I do not alter the photos in any way. You shouldn't do that, because why would you? That's not true results, but I do like to zoom in to make a really good before and after photo. As an example, you guys, here is one of them. This one doesn't have the cheek retractors in, but I did that on purpose. I want to show you guys the difference between, look again. Sorry, guys, I'm just making this better. Look again. Very, very nice, right? But then with cheek retractors in, let's see, how does that look? Oh, you know what's funny? I can't find the one with the cheek retractors. Okay, this isn't the best example, but you get the idea. There's more examples inside the Teeth Whitening Training Academy, okay? But notice how things look different with the cheek retractors in. The lips are pulled back, everything's pulled back. Again, you guys, kind of hard to see with my bright ring light on top here. But I do suggest having the cheek retractors in, but it does look nice with the cheek retractors not in sometimes too. You know, I do a little bit of both. I'm just showing you guys a couple examples, but see, they look professional, don't they? Professional, real, good lighting. Let me know, you guys, if you have any questions. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.